These are the phonemes and spelling patterns for each critter card in the long vowel group. Refer to the critter card pamphlets for specific instructions for how to use the critter cards to play the auditory and spelling games. Long vowels. Snake, A blank E, A-I, blank A-Y, always at the end. Eagle, E blank E, E-E, E-A, blank Y, always at the end. Lion, I blank E, I-G-H, blank Y, always at the end. Goat, O blank E, O-A, O-W. Unicorn, U blank E, blank U-E, always at the end, and E-W.